Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have some super exciting news. Might not be exciting for you, but it is fantastic news for me. I got a new camera. I am going to unbox this, attach it so that you can see the new quality that's coming. This is the this is the Canon 80D, and it came with the EFS 18-135 lens. I am going to swap out the cameras, and then I will get to a review of the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda. Okay, be right back. All right, I am back. So I kind of messed up yesterday because I forgot about the part where you have to charge your camera before you can use it. So that is why I have different hair, different outfit today. But for you guys, this is still the same video. So next I am going to review the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda. So my wonderful mother-in-law got this for me for Christmas. We did it a little early because we did Thanksgiving with their family. We're doing Christmas with mine. So she got it for me early. I actually haven't even opened it yet. I was waiting to do it on camera so I can do some swatches, show you guys the colors, and then I'll do a makeup look at the end of the video. The outside of the box is really cute. It looks like it's already decorated with wrapping paper. When you pull out the agenda, easy to miss, inside here is their mascara and lip product. It does say it on the back that it's included, but I almost missed that except I heard him jingling in there. Included, we have the Too Faced Melted Matte Lip Gloss, lipstick, and this is in the color Sellout. And then they also have their Better Than Sex mascara. For the beauty agenda, it is this really cute pink shade, and it says, "Don't let today be a waste of makeup." And it's quite sturdy, and it's got that squishy texture, so it's quite nice. And when you open it, it has the palette separate from the planner, which is actually quite nice because then you can zip this up and take it, and then you can put the palette in your regular makeup bag and not have to worry about them staying together. So they do come separate. Then inside here, it has a little mirror so you can do your makeup, a holder for pens, a little pocket, and then you can slide the inside cover of the planner in these little pockets here. The planner has the same as the front. It says, "Don't let today be a waste of makeup." The back says, "Best year ever, 2018." And it has the elastic to pull over and hold the planner shut. Inside, it has just a regular planner, a spot for taking notes. And it's also cool because each month it has like a makeup tutorial using the colors that are included in the palette. So it shows you which color to put where and little instructions on it. So that's really neat. You can get inspiration for different makeup looks you want to try. Moving on to the palette. So this opens up, it has a really pretty gold Too Faced logo and then a clear protective sheet. This comes with 24 shadows and then a highlight, blush, and bronzer. Looking at this palette, I really like that it looks like it has a good mix of colors. It has your matte whites at the top for your all over lid. Looks like 4 or 5 like micro glitters, so it has a little bit chunkier texture to the glitter, and then there are also shimmers throughout that do not have the chunk glitter in it. And it has a really good mix of like the mattes and the shimmers. It has light colors, dark colors. This will be a great palette to do a lot of different looks for the holidays or in general. It has some warm tones, some cool tones, and it's nice that it also includes the highlight, blush, and bronzer, because this would be a really great, you know, when you're traveling for the holidays or traveling in general. It has a lot right in here, and it's pretty sleek and compact. I am not going to go through and swatch every single color. There are plenty of videos out there that do it. Also, you can just pause on the screen to see what the colors are. They are gorgeous. But I am just gonna show you a couple that interest me. I have not swatched these, I haven't seen these colors. So I'm just going to pick out a few mattes, shimmers, some of the micro glitters, and just see which ones we like and how they swatch. Okay, for mattes, I am going to take this kind of greenish teal color Jolly and Pine Cone, which is a matte cranberry. So these are the two matte shades I really want to try out because they're the dark colors, and maybe Deck the Malls as well. So there are the three colors. There are the three colors on my finger. The first one is Jolly. Wow. That is some serious pigment. This is Pine Cone. The last one for the mattes is Deck the Malls. So there are those three colors. For the micro glitters, I am going to try I Want It All. It's kind of a caramel color. Give Me S'more, which is this kind of chocolate one here. And let's do Iced Out. So there are the three on my fingers. So first up is I Want It All. Next we have Give Me S'more. Wow, that one has a lot of pigment as well. And last is a Silver Iced Out. Okay, my swatches are not the greatest, but this is my first time doing them, so I will get better. For the shimmers, I want to try some fun ones. So let's do the Plum Pudding, Trimmed, and Unwrap Me. So there are those three. So Plum Pudding. Next is Trimmed. And then we have Unwrap Me. And these are all beautiful and have a lot of pigmentation. So I zoomed you guys in for the tutorial portion, and I haven't used these before, so we'll see what look I come up with. All over my lid, I am going in with Marshmallow. For the transition shade, I'm taking Deck the Malls on a fluffy blending brush. This one is by Morphe. Using a more tapered brush, I am going in with Pine Cone, and we are going to work that into the outer crease. And I have always loved Too Faced shadows, so I might be a little bit biased, but these colors so far are very pigmented. They're blending really well. There is a little bit of fallout on the palette as you pick up the eyeshadow, so I just blow it off a little bit to make sure it doesn't transfer to the other colors and potentially ruin them. And without dipping back into the product, I'm taking that fluffy blending brush and just making sure everything is nice and blended. To give it a pop of shimmer in the middle, I am going in with Plum Pudding, and I'm just going to tap that right onto the center. For the inner third of my eye, I am going to take the shimmery light color Halo, and I'm just going to pop that on right on the inner third. And I want to darken that outer V a little bit more, so I'm going to go in with a dab more of the Pine Cone. And to clean it all up, I am going back in with the matte white shade Marshmallow. For under the eyes, I'm going to use a medium pencil brush and go in with Deck the Malls. That was the color we used for a transition shade. And then with a more defined brush, we'll go in with that darker matte cranberry Pine Cone. And also from the palette, I am going to test out the bottom row of highlighter, blush, and bronzer. Taking a fluffy brush, I am dipping into the bronze shade. That is definitely warmer than I anticipated. A little product goes a long way with this one. And then for blush, I'm going in with the Luxie blush brush. And the color is Will You Marry Me? Spelled like Christmas, M-E-R-R-Y, marry me. Both the blush and the bronzer are pigmented, so don't say I didn't warn you, as you saw. It's very pigmented. And the highlighter is #blessed. It's a little dark in here because it is nighttime out, so I'm just using the light that I have in the room. But this highlight is a lot more beaming in person than on camera. I'm going to put the eyeliner on off camera. This is not one that was included in the set, so I'm just going in with my Kat Von D ink liner. Okay, eyeliner is done, and I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara that they included. And I already have a little mascara on my eyes from work today, but I'm just gonna coat this on top of it. And I know everyone raves about this mascara. I do like it. It makes my lashes look great, but I do find that towards the end of the day, it starts kind of flaking and making my eyes a little itchy. And then I'm also going to test out their Melted Matte. This is in the shade Sellout. I have not tried these lipsticks yet, so I am excited to give it a go. I actually love this shade. It's looking a little more orange on the camera, but it's a really pretty, almost like mauvey nude shade. So it has a little bit of a lavender purple undertone. I'm not sure why it's looking orange on the screen. But either way, I love the color. It is drying down matte, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. My lips don't feel super dry and cracked. Overall, I absolutely love this palette. I have high expectations for Too Faced. I do love their eyeshadows already, so I was really excited to get my hands on this. And I know it's not brand new, but it's new to me, so I thought I'd give you a review on how I like it and the look I came up with. I did a very neutral kind of cranberry and gold eye. It's perfect for fall, winter, and honestly everyday wear. I figured I would like it, but I am so glad that it lived up to my expectations. This is going to be the This is going to be the perfect travel palette because it has so many shimmers, mattes, it has warm tones, it has cool tones, it has lighter, more natural shades, but it also has some really fun vampy colors that you can try with different looks. So, and then it also has the highlighter, blush, and bronzer included. So this is going to be awesome. I was very impressed with the lip. I haven't worn it for a whole test, so I'm not sure how it'll do under eating, drinking, but I really like it. And let me know if there's any specific looks you want me to try out, any specific colors. I know there's some kind of fun ones in here. I'll have to test them out and see what I can do with some of those darker colors. I've never tried like a green and teal before, so that might be a fun look to test out. And I think that's all I have. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video with my brand new camera. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.